welcome back to Goochie's Cocktail Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a snake bite. This drink is super easy to make. You only need 3 ingredients. You need cider, apple, you need beer, any beer will do, and you will need grenadine. If you don't have grenadine at home, you could use strawberry, raspberry or black currant cordial, whatever you have. First things first, we need to pour in our cider. I'm going to pour in a little bit more, but generally it's half and half. Now I'm going to open my beer. Give it a tiny little bit of head. And now I'm going to add my grenadine. And there we have it. That is your snake bite. Cheers. Yummy. I don't really drink beer much, but I really love this combination of apple cider, beer and red cordial. If you're a beer snob, you're probably not going to like this, but this is quite refreshing. It would be perfect for a summer's day. I will definitely be drinking quite a few of these in summer when it comes around in another 4 months or so. Alright guys, if you want to see me, Goochie, make more cocktails, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. See you again soon. Bye!